Hey guys, in today's video we will talk about how to repop items on Depop. Watch until the end to learn about this and more. To repop items on Depop, follow these steps. First, go to your Depop profile. Click on the receipts icon located at the top of the page, and then tap Repop. This action will bring up a new listing page that is automatically populated using information from the original listing. Note that this information does not include the price, images, or condition of the items. You can then proceed to edit the information in the fields provided. Editing is optional, especially if the auto-populated fields give an accurate description of the item. To finish the item listing, add the current state of the item, set the price, and include high-quality photos. Are there any charges if you repop a previous purchase? Yes, when you make a sale through Repop, you'll still need to pay the usual fees. Can you use photos uploaded by a previous seller when you repop an item? No, it is advisable to upload your own photos, especially if you don't have the original seller's permission to use their photos. So that's it, guys. Repopping on Depop is that easy. Thanks for watching.